Well, how we doing, everybody? It's pretty windy today, so I hope the wind doesn't come through on the audio, but this is my 1944 M-29 Weasel. It is a C model, which means it's amphibious, and this is going to be a real quick video. I haven't started the restoration yet, but that'll happen sometime this summer. So let's take a look at the engine. This is the engine cover here, so I'm going to pull that off right now. Okay, so she's pretty well complete. The wires are really old. That's all going to get stripped out. Of course, it'll be rewired, new harness. The engine is a 168.7 cubic inch Champion flathead 6-cylinder. The compression ratio is rated at 7.2 to 1. And the horsepower is rated about 65 horsepower. We take a look at all the spark plugs here. When I got this Weasel, starting from the front here, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this spark plug here, and number 6, spark plug number 5 was out of the hole. Even though the engine cover was over the engine, and the Weasel itself had an Arctic cab on top of it, which sheltered everything. Some nice furry animal decided to make a nest right there. So number 5 cylinder is stuck. There's a voltage regulator here. This Weasel is rated at 12 volts operating voltage. And this canister here is the oil filter. And down in the bilge, yes, we use naval terms, Navy terms, because it is an amphibious machine. So down in the bilge we see the starter for the engine. That'll get rebuilt. And that's the exhaust manifold and intake manifold. I already have the carburetor off. And over here is the fuel tank. And when the track broke, it got parked. I think it got parked better than 3/4 of a tank of fuel. This fuel tank holds 30 gallons. I think that because there's about 6 gallons of the freshest varnish I have ever smelled. Anyway, it's a good thing. It's holding the liquid, so the bottom of the tank's not all rusted out. And then here we have the battery tray, which holds 2 6-volt batteries. So I'm looking forward to restoring this machine. I had one back in 2004, 5, and 6, and it was pretty fun after I got her restored. Nothing like a tracked machine to go through mud and snow. And so that's just a brief overview